The first question: what Western philosophy should be embedded in the basic education curriculum of the country, and why? So, in improving the basic education curriculum in the Philippines, several Western philosophies should be embedded because they respond to the needs of the 21st century learners. First, pragmatism is essential because it promotes learning by doing, problem solving on a real world application. So these philosophies prepare students for practical responsibilities beyond classroom. Second, progressivism must be included because it supports child-centered activity based on it empowers learners to collaborate, participate, and actively in democratic society. Third, constructivism should be integrated because this philosophy believes that learners build own understanding through experience. It encourages curiosity, discovery, and higher order thinking skills needed in the modern world. So finally, essentialism is also important because it involves mastery for fundamental subjects such as mathematics, reading, and science. So together, these philosophies create a curriculum that is practical and relevant, balanced, and responsive to the both learners and society in the 21st century.